Hello everyone, I will show you how to use our one-way switch to cooperate with our broadlink IMPR on. First we check the light, press A on, press B off. So one-way switch works properly. Now this is our broadlink app operating page. We can see closely. This is turn on, this is turn off. Now we use it to learn the one-way switch signal. Start to learn. Okay, we check. Yes. Fail. We learn again. Learn. Check again. Yes. Yes, now it's work. It can work. We learn the turn off again. Now we can check. Turn on. Turn off. We learn again. Yes. So now it's turn on. The light is on, and turn off. The light is off. Or on, off. Thank you everyone to see this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.